BBC News with Mike Cooper. An Israeli court has ruled that the death of an American activist who was crushed in Gaza 9 years ago was a regrettable accident. Rachel Corrie, who was wearing a bright orange vest, died while trying to stop a bulldozer demolishing Palestinian houses in Rafah. The civil court said the driver could not have seen her. After the verdict, Rachel Corrie's mother called it a bad day for the rule of law and for Israel. Rioting is spreading on the second day of unrest in the Kenyan port of Mombasa, a day after a Muslim cleric was shot dead in the city by unknown gunmen. Muslim youths are fighting running battles with police, and there are clouds of tear gas in the air. The killing of the cleric, Abu Rogo Mohammed, on Monday was followed by clashes with police, which left one person dead. The reformist military-backed government in Burma says it's taken more than 2,000 names off its blacklist, which bars people deemed a threat to national security from entering or leaving the country. The decision reduces the blacklist by about a third. It's the latest in a series of changes since a civilian-led government took power last year. A court in Russia has sentenced an opposition activist to 8 years in prison for drug trafficking in a case supporters have denounced as politically motivated. Taisia Osipova says the Russian authorities framed her for refusing to give evidence against her husband, who's a leader of the left-wing movement Other Russia. Tropical storm Isaac is on the verge of being upgraded to hurricane strength as it crosses the Gulf of Mexico. The storm is expected to make landfall near New Orleans on Tuesday night, almost exactly 7 years since the city was devastated by Hurricane Katrina. And Typhoon Balawan has hit the coast of South Korea, killing at least 5 Chinese fishermen and leaving 10 others missing. Coast guards on the island of Jeju pulled surviving crew members to safety after the typhoon forced 2 Chinese ships onto the rocks. The storm is heading for North Korea, which is still recovering from a drought followed by floods. BBC News.